What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be working on this Maxima. I'm gonna try to pull out the rear end. It's one that I bought from Copart. I'll post up some pictures of when I got it. I mean, I haven't done anything to it, so here it goes. This one, as you can see, has some damage right here. That's bent in. That's one part that I don't know how I'm gonna get, but this right here is also bent in, and the trunk does not close. So you can see on this side, you know, how the damage is. It's not too bad, but you know, it is there. I actually went to pull apart and I found a bumper for it, a rear bumper. It was silver. I got it for like 30 bucks. And then I looked online for a trunk and I actually found one, same color, right here. And then they also had the bumper, so I ended up buying the trunk, tail light, and the bumper for 450 bucks, but it's already painted the same matching color. Original parts, so they'll feel a little bit better. Here's another one that was purchased from Copart. Had damage on this fender. I got it online for 250 bucks, already pre-painted. This is the old fender. The damage wasn't much. This right here is the tools I'm gonna use to pull this out. I used to be old school and I just hook them up to a tree or anything and just pull it. But this right here is very helpful if y'all looking for something like this. I think it's on Amazon for like $150. I mean, it's worth every single dollar, so check it out. Got this assembled. As you can see, you just pump that spreads that, and then I'll show y'all on here. First thing, let's get this trunk removed. So I've got the 13 millimeter bolts out. Only thing I've got to do now is unhook that connector for all the trunk lights, and that's going to be under the carpet. Let me tell y'all something. Number one tool right here, if you work on cars, this right here, it comes in a little kit. I mean, it was like 10 bucks on Amazon. It's this and about 4 or 5 other ones, but that's the main one that I use. And that's just to pop out any clips, anything like this right here. I mean, it's very useful. All right, we got the trunk off. Now it's time to put that one on. Alright guys, so now that we have this on, I can actually try to shut it and see what's missing or what's misaligned. Well, that piece broke, but this side over here is good. This right here. So as you can see, this part right here is what we're gonna actually push out with the frame machine. And yeah, let me show you how to do that. First thing is, you are going to want to remove all the carpet or move it off to the side so you can see the metal behind it. So there is 2 clips in here. As you can see, I actually broke one. The other one, you can use that little tool. That's what that's for. Once you move the carpet out of the way, you can actually start to piece this together and put it where you think it needs to go. can change these sizes. All right, guys, here it is so far. As you can see, this is just pretty easy. It's a lot cleaner with that. I mean, it's all you do is pump it and it pushes it out. And then the good thing about this is you can also compare that side to this side. That way you can see how much more you need. But let me show y'all something. Let me try to close the trunk so you can see what the difference is. See, I mean, that right there is, I mean, it's pretty good. You can see this right here still needs to be a little bit more straight. Now we've got this issue right here, which I'm gonna try to figure out how to fix that. But I'm thinking, the more I pull on this, the more this will probably go in and kind of straighten out. Another thing you can also use to help you line everything up is the tail light. This actually has to fit on here, so you can use this as a reference. Right there, as you can see, that right there has got to come out this way, and we'll keep messing with it. Somebody decided to join us. Say hi.
Hi.
She's gonna help me fix the whole car.
Yeah. No, we're not. Don't say.
So if you look at both of these, that right there is completely straight. This one right here is kind of pushed in some. So let's straighten that out. As you can see, a little bit better. But I am going to try these tools right here. That way I can kind of get a better angle right there. All right, so straight right there, a lot straighter. Let's take a look at this and see. So as you can see, that's pretty close. Let's look at the other side. Yeah, I mean, they're both right on there. Oh, and it actually shuts. I mean, you cannot get more perfect than that. Now the only thing right here is, as you can see, this is still pushed in some. Should be pretty straight. So we're gonna push out a little bit more from right here. And then somehow this has to come this way so this can straighten out. We'll see how we can do that. All right guys, so this is what I'm doing. I put all the bars that are there. This piece of wood is gonna go against that piece of metal, that way it doesn't bend, and then it's gonna push out that way. Let's try this. Let me show y'all. So I think that right there is the perfect spot. That's pushing this out and it's making this go in. I'm just gonna pump it one time so you can see. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but let's put the tail light on and see how it looks. All right, guys. Finally made it fit. To me, that fits, I mean, really good. Check that out. So what I actually ended up having to do was, look at that. So these two weren't fitting correctly, and I had to push this outwards a little bit, just enough to get this to actually fit in there. These two clips, but I mean, it's good to go. Down here, I am gonna push just a little bit more on right here, but that's it. After this, I'm putting on the bumper. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment below if y'all know, if you have any suggestions on how to do this. I am new at body work, but let's get the tail light on and let's put the bumper on it. All right, guys, so I'm about to start cleaning up, and yeah, so y'all can see. Look at that. I think I done left the keys in it. All right, so I have to figure that out. Make sure to subscribe to the channel.
Make sure to subscribe,
and like it. And I'll see you on the next video.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, before I leave, let me show y'all how clean this car is. I mean, all around it, beautiful car, fully loaded. It's got 176 on the miles, and this will be probably about 2,000 down, and it'll be on buy here, pay here.